It's 3 p.m., you're trying to focus, and suddenly you're desperate for something sweet. A cookie, a soda, anything. You give in, get a quick energy burst, then crash, feeling worse than before. Sound familiar? Today, let's break down why these cravings happen and how you can beat them with 5 simple, natural tips. Let's dive into a simple yet powerful strategy for managing those pesky cravings. First tip, stay hydrated. It's the cornerstone of feeling good and making smart choices. You might be surprised to learn that your brain often confuses thirst for hunger. These signals can get crossed, leading you to believe you need food when your body is actually just craving fluids. This confusion is especially common when it comes to sugar. Those intense sugar cravings can often be a sign of dehydration in disguise. So, next time a craving hits, before you reach for that snack, pause and consider this simple trick. Instead of immediately giving in, drink a full glass of water. Make it a big one. After you've finished your water, wait 10 minutes. Set a timer if you need to. This waiting period is crucial. You'll be surprised how often the craving simply disappears. The water often satisfies that initial urge, revealing it was thirst all along. To make this easier, keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. Make it a constant companion. And to make it even more appealing, add lemon or mint if it helps you drink more. Experiment with different flavors to find what you enjoy. Remember, hydration keeps your energy stable and prevents those energy crashes that can trigger cravings. Staying properly hydrated also helps you recognize real hunger, making it easier to make conscious food choices. This isn't about willpower or strict dieting, it's about understanding your body's signals. It's about giving your body what it actually needs, which is often simply hydration, not necessarily more food. Try it and watch your cravings shrink and your overall well-being improve. It's a small change with a big impact. Second, power up with protein. It's not just for bodybuilders, it's a crucial component of a balanced diet for everyone. We're talking about sustained energy, reduced cravings, and overall better health. So let's explore how protein can become your ally in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and conquering those pesky sugar cravings. Protein keeps your blood sugar steady, acting as a buffer against rapid glucose absorption. This is because protein digests slower than simple carbohydrates, providing a more gradual and sustained release of energy into your bloodstream, preventing those roller coaster spikes and crashes that trigger sugar cravings. When your blood sugar plummets, your body screams for a quick fix, often in the form of sugary snacks. Protein helps you avoid this vicious cycle. Include protein in every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This ensures a consistent supply of amino acids, the building blocks of protein, throughout the day, contributing to stable energy levels and reduced cravings. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, especially for breakfast. These are excellent sources of protein that can kickstart your day and keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. Lean meats, beans, and lentils for lunch and dinner. These options provide a substantial amount of protein, along with other essential nutrients, to support your overall health and well-being. Or nuts. A handful of nuts is a convenient and nutritious way to add protein to your diet, especially when you're on the go. Protein also keeps you fuller, longer, because it increases satiety hormones in your body. This means you'll feel more satisfied after eating protein-rich foods, reducing the urge to overeat or snack unnecessarily. So you're less likely to snack on sweets. By prioritizing protein, you're essentially setting yourself up for success in resisting those tempting treats. Even your snacks can get a protein boost, making them more satisfying and less likely to lead to a sugar crash. Try almonds or a piece of cheese. These are simple, portable, and protein-packed options that can help you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Make protein your secret weapon against cravings, and watch how it transforms your energy levels and overall well-being. It's a simple yet powerful strategy for taking control of your health and achieving your dietary goals. Third, and this is absolutely crucial, don't underestimate the power of sleep. It's not just about feeling rested, it's a cornerstone of your overall health and well-being, especially when it comes to managing those pesky sugar cravings. Poor sleep, even just a night or two of it, really messes with your hunger hormones, throwing them completely out of whack. This hormonal imbalance leads to increased cravings, specifically making you crave sugary, high-calorie foods. You'll also feel less satisfied after eating, constantly searching for that elusive feeling of fullness. Even one bad night of insufficient sleep can throw your entire system off balance, setting you up for a day of sugar-fueled decisions. Aim for a solid 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is your sweet spot for optimal health and craving control. To achieve this, create a relaxing and consistent bedtime routine. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Optimize your sleep environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains or a white noise machine to minimize distractions. Good, restorative sleep effectively resets your cravings, bringing your hunger hormones back into equilibrium. It also sharpens your self-control, making it easier to resist those tempting sugary treats and make healthier choices throughout the day. So, prioritize rest and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. It's truly one of the most powerful and effective ways to curb those sugar urges and regain control over your eating habits. Your body and mind will thank you immensely for the gift of restful, rejuvenating sleep. Fourth, manage your stress. Stress triggers cravings for sugary comfort foods because your body releases cortisol, making you seek quick energy. Instead of reaching for sweets, try deep breathing, a quick walk, or listening to music. Find what calms you. Yoga, meditation, or even calling a friend. Managing stress tackles the root cause of emotional eating. Build a toolkit of healthy coping strategies. Soothe your mind, and your cravings will follow. Finally, be prepared. Always have healthy snacks on hand. Cravings strike hardest when you're unprepared and surrounded by sugary options. Pack snacks with protein, healthy fats, and fiber like nuts, apples with nut butter or Greek yogurt. Prep your snacks ahead of time and keep them at work, in your bag, or in the car. Make healthy choices the easy choices. Preparation is your best defense against impulse sugar fixes. There you have it. 5 simple ways to beat sugar cravings. Hydrate, eat protein, sleep well, manage stress, and be prepared. Start with 1 or 2 tips that feel doable for you. Small changes add up, and you'll feel more energized and in control. Share your favorite strategies in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Take that first step today.